Okay, I got a feeling I have to be videoing this. How do you change the... There you go! How many times do you spin the other way, dude? Can't get it? Do you need help?
No.
I don't want to be here all day. You ready for help? Say it.
Yes.
You need help? Say, I need help. You won't say it, will you? Especially when I'm recording. All you gotta do is say, Dad, I need help. Come on, just say it. All you gotta say, Ethan. All you gotta say is, Dad, I need help. This is turning into a game now. Keep in mind, if you're spinning it the wrong way, you're tightening it. Just ask for it. I'll help you. All you gotta do is ask. Come on. Does that hurt your hand yet?
Not when I grab a hammer.
Just ask, say, Dad, I need help. Come on, that's all you gotta say. That's all you gotta say. I'll help you. You even know which way you gotta go? Huh? Just say it. That's all I'm waiting to hear.
I need help.